differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is actually the process of finding the derivative of the given function. Okay, so we have to note also that the derivative, note the slope, the derivative serves as the slope predictor formula. So, for example, the slope m of the tangent line L, the tangent line to the graph of y is equal to f of x at the point a f of a, where x is equal to a, is m, which is actually f prime of a, where f prime of a is actually equal to this. Now, if you are asked what is the equation of the tangent line, because the slope, it's the value, it's the slope, it's actually the derivative. Now, it's another, if there's another question, what is the equation of the tangent line? The equation of the tangent line is given by equation of the tangent line is actually y minus what? F of a is equal to f prime of a times x minus a. So this is the slope, this is the equation of the tangent line. Why it is the equation of the tangent line? Because we're using the derivative here, which is actually the slope of the tangent line. Okay? So for example, find the derivative of f of x is equal to x over x plus 3 using its definition. Okay, find also the line tangent to the graph of f at the origin. Okay? This is our problem. So we have to take note of this. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to x over x plus 3 using its definition. So we're going to use the definition of derivative because there are many methods to find the derivative. We have theorems which are not yet discussed. So this time, we are going to use the definition of derivative. And after finding the derivative, find also the line tangent to the graph of f at the origin. So at the point 0, 0. So here, how can we solve it? We solve this using the definition of derivative. What's the definition of derivative? Solution. The derivative is equal to f prime of x, recall, is equal to limit of f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches 0. So this formula is very important. Although sometimes if you are already master with a formula, no need to write the formula. But for us to be guided, it's very important to write first the formula. Okay, since it says here, find the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. What is f of x plus h? Our function is x over x plus 3. And we just add h to the variable x. So this is limit of x plus h over x plus h plus 3. What is f of x? The f is the given function. That is x over x plus 3. Okay? And all over h is h approaches 0. So we're just following the formula. F of x plus h over h minus f of x over h. So this is what? This is a compound fraction. So all we have to do is to solve first the numerator. So since this is a fraction minus another fraction, all we have to do is to what? Is to find the least common denominator in the main numerator. So that is x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3, x plus h plus 3 divided by x plus h plus 3 is 1 times x plus h. This is x plus h. Okay? Minus this 1 divided by x plus h is x plus h plus 3 times x. So this becomes x plus h plus 3. Don't forget, you still have h here in the denominator. So this becomes f prime of x is equal to what? X plus h okay, x plus h minus x squared minus xh minus 3x over h times x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay? No, sorry. Since this is x plus h, you go back here, x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3 divided by this one, the answer is x plus 3. So there's still x plus 3 here. Okay. There's still x plus 3 here. So there is x plus h times x plus 3. So this is, you multiply x squared plus 3x plus xh plus 3h minus x squared minus xh minus 3x over h times x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3. So this will be cancelled out. Don't forget the limit as h approaches 0. So this is limit as h approaches 0. xh, 3x. So we have limit of 3h over h, x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3 as h approaches 0. So this will be cancelled out. This is limit of 3 over x plus h plus 3, x plus 3 as h approaches 0. So this becomes what? As h approaches 0, it is constant because the limit of the constant is constant. And as h approaches 0, this becomes x plus 3 times x plus 3. Or in other words, this is 3 over x plus 3 squared. Therefore, the derivative, which is the slope predictor formula, is 3 over x plus 3 squared. This is our slope predictor formula. This is our derivative of the given function. So if the question will find the derivative of f of x is equal to x over x plus 3 is actually 3 over x plus 3, quantity x plus 3 squared. Okay. Find the derivative using its definition. Find also the tangent line to the graph of f at the origin. Since we are asked to find the derivative at the origin, so in other words, all we have to do is just to substitute the value at the origin, meaning to say the x value is 0. So what's the x value? So what's the derivative? Take note, f prime of x is equal to 3 over x plus 3 squared. Now at the origin, meaning at x is equal to 0, f prime of 0 is what? This is 3, this is x, 0 over 0 plus 3. Why? Because the given function, again, recall, f of x is equal to x over x plus 3. So this is 0. So at the point 0, 0. Okay? What's the derivative at 0, 0? So all we have to do is to substitute our x in this function, which is the derivative. So f prime of 0 is actually 3 over 0 plus 3 squared. This is 3 over 9 is actually 1/3. So in other words, f prime of 0 is 1/3. What's the interpretation? The interpretation is this is actually the slope of what? The tangent line is, the slope of the tangent line is 1/3 at the point 0, 0. Okay, another question is find the line tangent at the point 0, 0. So we are given already the formula for the equation of the tangent line. Equation of the tangent line. That is equal to what? Y minus f of 0, f prime of 0 times x minus 0. Okay? Y minus f of 0. What is f of 0? F of 0 is 0. So y minus 0, f prime of 0, f prime of 0 is 1/3, x minus 0 is x. In other words, the equation of the tangent line at the origin is 1/3 x. It is linear. Okay? So this is the equation of the tangent line at the origin. This is the line at the origin of the given function. Okay? So the equation of the tangent line and also the slope of the tangent line. Here's another concept, additional concept. If we are asked to find the normal line, okay, the normal line of the given function at the point 0, 0. So what is a normal line? First, normal line. Normal line. Okay, the normal line to a graph. We have the definition, the normal line to a graph at a given point is the line perpendicular to the tangent line at that point. Okay, so this is the definition of the normal line to a graph. The normal line to a graph at a given point is the line perpendicular to the tangent line at that point. So in other words, now how can we get the slope of the normal line? The slope of the normal line, because this one is the definition of the normal line. So Since it's a line, so there is a slope of that line. So we have to get the slope of the normal line first. How can we get the slope of the normal line? Actually, the slope of the normal line, so you have to take note, the slope of the normal line is the negative of the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line. Okay? The slope of the normal line is the negative of the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line. So if we're going to go back, the slope of the tangent line is 1/3. Therefore, the slope of the normal line, let's say the slope of the normal line is actually, in this example, -3. So what is the equation? Equation of the normal line. Equation is y minus f of 0 is actually -3 x minus 0. Therefore, y is equal to -3x. This is the equation of the normal line. If this is the equation of the tangent line, then this is also the equation of the normal line. Okay, so we were able to discuss already the slope of the tangent line, which is actually the derivative of the given function at a specific point of x. Then after that, we can also get the equation of the tangent line using the slope of the tangent line, using the formula given. And if we are asked to find the normal line, we are going to get the slope of the normal line first, that is getting the negative, the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line. Then use the equation formula, the formula of the equation. Okay, so that's it. That's the derivative. Again, the derivative is interpreted as the slope of the tangent line at a given point. So the general formula for the derivative is f prime of x is equal to the limit of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches 0. Okay, hope you learn from the lesson that I am discussing right now. And thank you so much for watching. But I have an assignment for you, and if you really want to answer the assignment, just comment in the comment section below. Okay? The assignment is find the derivative of the quadratic function. F of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants, using the definition of derivative. Again, this is your assignment. Find the derivative of the quadratic function f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a and b and c are constants, using the definition of derivative. So this can really help you to really understand what's a derivative using the definition. And again, there are many methods to find the derivative, but this time I want you to use the definition of derivative first. The derivative first. So if you are really interested to solve the problem, just comment your answer in the comment section. Thank you and have a good day.